Number first, adore friendship.
दोस्त, फ्रेंड्स, भाई, यार, जिगरी, डूड, ब्रो, ब्रदर फ्रॉम अनदर मदर। काफ़ी सारे नामों से जानते हैं हम इस दोस्ती वाले एस्पेक्ट को। एंड आई एम श्योर लाइक मी दिस होल सीरीज 1 and 2 combined, you all must have gone through some of your favorite cherished memories that you would have had in past. There were the moments in episodes where we got to witness the sense of upliftment, not rudeness, care, not competition, and the most important thing is be genuine and taking out time. Could be short, taking out time for your friends, or should I say, for the ones whom you really adore, admire as friends.
50 क्वेश्चन थे, कल तक का टाइम है, बना के ला। उसके बाद जो बैच मिला फाइनल।
Number 2, be a warrior. As you all aware of this whole scenario created by Kota Factory, where Vaibhav got to shift from A10 to higher batch because of obvious reasons, he asked like a warrior for it. Jeetu Bhaiya gave him a chance. This scenario sets the tone of the episode of being a warrior, not for any specific task, but make it a default setting for the rest of the lives. At this moment, I might sound you a quickie mart or philosopher or something. Alright, let's do this in this way. Okay, let's consider the situation where Vaibhav Pandey would not have tried out the sheet of 50 questions, क्योंकि he was unable to find the ways of solving out that series of problem. If he would not have showed up with this attitude of not giving up, with the glimpse of warrior, would it get promoted to higher batch? Obviously not. And same goes in real world. Number 3, catch the hints. As Jeetu Bhaiya depicts this very beautifully through his role कि अगर सवाल ना आए तो सवाल को धुना करो। क्या करो? धुना करो। So एक्चुअली ये ना उनके ही मुंह से सुनते हैं टू गेट द फील।
ये क्या मतलब हुआ? सवाल समझ में नहीं आया तो अटेम्प्ट ही नहीं करेंगे? देखो, बहुत सारे हिंट दिए तो हैं।
कहाँ?
भाई पहला हिंट तो ये है कि सवाल दिया हुआ है। अब जब सवाल दिया है बनाने वाले ने तो अपनी नॉलेज से हो तो सकता है। दूसरा हिंट वेलोसिटी दिया हुआ है, देखो दिया है कि नहीं? तो दो ही चीजें हो सकती हैं, या तो एनर्जी या मोमेंटम। अब सोचना है कि कौन सा सट्टा खेले। अब भी नहीं चमका तो और हिंट ढूंढो। फ्रिक्शन नाम का शब्द दिखा है
जी, तो एनर्जी तो नहीं लग सकती।
बस बचा क्या? मोमेंटम कंजर्व करा दो। इनिशियल इक्वल टू फाइनल। हाँ ना बोल भाई।
हाँ सर।
तो इनिशियल इक्वल टू फाइनल कर दो, टिक मारो, आगे बढ़ो। फिर कभी हंसते गाते खेलते कूदते टॉयलेट में चमकेगा कि मोमेंटम कंजर्व क्यों किया। ठीक है, सवाल समझ ना आए तो सवाल को धुना करो। क्या क्या करो?
धुना करो।
हाँ।
What matters the most when we face any hard problem, career options, daily challenges, doubts, conflicts is the first step. What matters the most is the first step is to chase the 10% probability of getting succeed. This reminds me of the ideologies and thinking on which Elon Musk, CEO and founder of SpaceX and Tesla functions. Hey, I'm not trying to deviate this presentation from Kota to California. It's all about one could make his or her chances of getting succeed up to 10%, maybe 50%, could be 90%. All depends not on how well you take that first step, but whether you take that or not in regards to that XYZ problem, that challenges, the doubts you're having, highly ambitious goals. You take that first step and the hint would follow you like crazy, and you got to catch that. Number 4, decide when to cheat. When we are strong, kind of sorted, running on full schedule, I think, like Jeetu Bhaiya, it's not a bad idea if you were to cheat a little bit. But it must be occasional and it should not be mandatory. ये बिल्कुल भी इसलिए नहीं होना चाहिए कि जीतू भैया ने बोला है या मैंने अपनी वीडियो में मेंशन करा है. If you are running on full schedule, you got to be careful with that. It's your call.
कभी कभी चीटिंग चलती है, बस आदत नहीं बननी चाहिए.
Number 5th, inquire yourself. Now this one is the personal favorite to me, as it reminded me the terminology such as self-awareness and self-examination. The terminology I have personally been using and learning a lot in regards to my own personal life decisions. No matter how much intelligent, brilliant, amazing we are, we all have got our weakness, insecurities, loopholes which we can't deny. And it's not about the inorganic chemistry or the subject matter.
हंस कह रहा है बे, हर साल 3 नंबर आए तेरे
2
It's about the decisions which we make. We got to be self-aware. Alright, strong points versus weak points. On strong points, we must show gratitude on that and be in that continuation as our life depends on it. On the other hand, weak points, we got to accept it first and then skip it.
ये 5 दिन स्कूल के प्रैक्टिकल्स के लिए हैं. सब लोग उस पर फोकस करेंगे और रिलैक्स करेंगे, ठीक है?
रिलैक्स.
Number 6th, fresh a bit. Now this one could be deniable for the chunk of audience.
यार मुझे भी ना पढ़ाई कर लेनी चाहिए थी. रिलैक्स के चक्कर में बहुत टाइम वेस्ट हो गया.
But enormously relatable when it comes to large chunk. Relax a bit, fresh yourself, short nap. We average ones love this. After getting into the deep analysis of this whole episode named Shutdown, I figured out we must relax momentarily, but it should not be in the form of schedule. Let me elaborate in this way. You work hard for a countable number of hours. You think a small break could work. Take it. If you don't think so, don't take it. 3 things we got to make sure in this process of choosing one. Number 1st, productivity should not go down. Number 2nd, your brain should not be getting tired sort of mess inside. Last, we got to create at least some sort of balance between working hours, relaxing minutes, even it was 8 hours versus 15 minutes. Essentially, there must be hours versus minutes concept for relaxing a bit.
भैया लेकिन अभी मैं सेट हूँ यहाँ और सब सही हो रहा है, अब क्यों छोड़ के जाऊंगा? नहीं जाएगा तो ग्रो कैसे करेगा बता? वो बोलते हैं ना, इफ यू आर द स्मार्टेस्ट इन योर क्लास यू आर इन द रॉन्ग क्लास. यहाँ किससे compete करेगा? तेरा सारा कंपटीशन तो चला जाएगा. ये तेरे बैचेस शुभम आलोक सब जाएंगे. तो यहाँ के A1 में कंफर्टेबल होने से अच्छा है वहाँ के A3 में स्ट्रगल कर, A1 तक पहुँच.
Number 7, getting comfortable should not be an option. If we would have been in this place, it would not be easy. Surely not at all easy for any of us to change the institute from Prodigy classes A1 batch to Maheshwari classes A3. Yes, he sets the zone. There is no doubt in this that the zone I am talking about, the fame, sort of fame, or the community or the strategies, the plan, the level of intelligence, he set all of this himself through his own strategies, hard work and warrior nature. But it was a phase, and phases do change in life.
अबे मैं वैभव, हाँ कोटा का नंबर है मेरा, सेव कर ले. नहीं महेश्वरी में नहीं, प्रोडिजी.
मैं मीना, प्रोडिजी A5.
यार तुम पहले कोटा क्यों नहीं आए? पहले दोस्त बन जाते ना.
हाय वैभव, इटारसी से हो, प्रोडिजी में आए हो, आंटी के बेटे जैसे हो. नहीं
क्या वजह है कि तेरे जैसा नाजुक लाचार लड़का बीच सेमेस्टर में अपना घर स्कूल सब छोड़ के कोटा आ गया?
तू लेट है इसलिए थोड़ा पीछे है, पर अकेला नहीं है। लास्ट मोमेंट तक लड़ेंगे, आईआईटी क्रैक करेंगे, ठीक है?
The past must not hinder the reason why you came here, must not hinder your primary focus, aim. Most important, it's time to continue to be growing and to get refining your process, which leading you to your primary focus, your main aim, your ultimate mission. Now it's time to move on. It's time to compete again, but with Maheshwari A3 batch students. It's time to let go of the past. Until you don't get it, sneeze it, steal it, whatsoever you may call, but don't settle for least. As Weber did not. Don't settle for least if you think, or should I say, if you feel that you deserve better. I repeat, if you feel you deserve better, don't settle. Stay hungry, stay foolish. Not my words, but just don't settle.